Hi there! In this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can change your email on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, of course, once you're on the website of Revolut or the app, you will just have to click the login section and then go log in with your credentials. And once you're logged in, you will just have to tap profile icon, and then select settings and select personal details and go to email. Then you will tap change email and enter your new email address. Tap confirm and then check your inbox of new email and then go ahead and click verification link. Return to the app and then your new email is now verified. And that's basically just it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.